Vanilla. 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 Mama lang, mama lang.
Mama.
Okay, okay. Everyone, welcome back to another episode of Bake and Cook with Nila Louise and Isabella Louise. For today's episode, we are going to make banana rainbow pancakes. Bella will surely love this pancake because it's so colorful. So let's start, Bella?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. You put the flour here. Okay. Careful. Oh, sige. Let's whisk this. So next is egg. And then whisk it again. Whisk. Careful, careful, careful. And then our secret ingredient, banana. Feel Bella. Yeah. Okay, put it there. Okay, very good. We mash this. You mash. Sige. Not yet there, not yet there. So we mash the bananas using fork. So this is the mashed bananas. You're going to put it there. Prepare 6 bowls to divide the 6 colors of rainbow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we are going to color each of these bowls. We'll add pink, orange,
yellow, green, blue, purple.
Mix the green, Bella, and I'll mix the pink. We're going to cook this. Yeah. So our version of our banana rainbow pancakes is ready! Yay! We want the yellow one. You get it.
Give me pink.
So this is the slice of the banana rainbow pancake that we made. Wow, look at this, Bella. I hope guys you enjoyed our video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Bye! Say bye! Bye! Bye!